Next, let's have here the underdetermined linear system. 2x plus 5y plus 2c equals 4. 4x minus 10y minus c equals 10. Okay, the augmented matrix is 2, 5, 2. Okay, this one. Okay, we want to make this 0. Okay, what will that be? Pwede nyo ipagtulad ulit yung row 1 sa row 2 if you want. But here, we can already, madali lang naman. So, let's have R2 minus 2R1. This will be the new R2. Okay, 2, 5, 2, 4, and then you have 0. We have negative 10 minus 2 times 5. So, you have negative 20 here. And then, followed by negative 1 minus 2 times 2. So, you will have negative 5. And 10 minus 8, you have positive 2. Okay, for this one, we can already have the equivalent equations. 2x plus 5y minus plus 2z equals 4. And then, negative 20y minus 5z equals 2. Take note that, dito, gagamit pa rin tayo ng parameter. So, let z be equal to t, so that you will have 2x plus 5y equals 4 minus 2t. And then, we have negative 20y equals 2 plus 5t. Okay, from here, we can already solve for y. Y is equal to 2 plus 5t negative all over 20. And then your x, this will be the same that we got in our previous lecture. And then your z is equal to t. Take note that t here is a real number. Don't forget. Next, let's have the Gauss-Jordan elimination for this. Aalisin lang natin to. Aalisin lang natin to. We will make this 0. Okay. Pwede tayong mag-perform. Gawin natin magkatulad. So, let's multiply 5 to the first row. And 2 to the second row. Okay, we have 10, 25, 10, 20, 0, negative 40, negative 10, and 4. Okay, in making this 0, we're just simply going to add R1 plus R2. This will be your new R1. Okay, let's continue it here. So, I'll have 10, negative 25 minus 40, you have negative 15, and then 0, and 24. And then I have 0, negative 40, negative 10, and 4. Okay, let us divide. R1 divided by 10, and then R2 divided by negative 40. So, we have to transform them. Okay, this becomes 1, negative 3 over 2, 0, and then I have 24 over 10. So, that is 12 over 5. Correct? And then the last one, we have 0, positive 1, positive 1 over 4, and negative 1 over 10. Okay, transforming these into equations, we'll have x minus 3 over 2y equals 12 over 5. And for your y, we have y plus 1/4 z equals negative 1 over 10. So again, we are going to make use of parameter because there's an extra variable. Let z be equal to t, where t is a real number. So, what will be our y? ry will be equal to negative 1 over 10 minus 1/4 t. So this is equal to negative, let us segregate the negative. Negative 20 over 20. And then I'll have 2 here. And then plus 5t. Correct? And then our x will still be the one that we got earlier. So we have this one. So I will leave that as an exercise for you. Okay? So this is still the answer. Last example, let's have the overdetermined. Okay. Let us write the augmented matrix. 2, 1, 5, negative 3. We can actually transform this into x minus 2y equals 0. Take note that it's easier for us to deal with smaller numbers. Okay, we have 1, negative 2, 0. 7, negative 1, 10. Okay, we want to make this 0. This one is a little bit difficult, so let us make all of them 14. Because that's the least common multiple. Okay, let us transform them. Okay, we have 14, 7, 35, 14, negative 28, 0, and 14, negative 2, 20. Forming cooperation to this, we have R2 minus R1, or R1 na lang, R1 minus R2. And then R1 minus R3. Okay. We have 0, 7 minus negative 28, that is 35. And then 35 minus 0, 35. And then next, we have 0 and 7 minus negative 2. So, you have 9. And then 35 minus 20, 15. For the first row, let us divide by 7. And then for the second row, let us divide by 35. And for the third row, let us divide by 3. Not 9, okay? We have 2, 1, 5, and then 0, 1, 1, and 0, 3, and 5. Okay, we want to make this 0. So, let us transform this one. Okay, 3R2. Okay. 2, 1, 5, 0, 3, 3, and then 0, 3, 5. So, let us make this 0. Okay, how will we make this 0? R3 minus R2. This will be your new R3. So, 2, 1, 5, 0, 3, 3, 0, 0. For this to be consistent, the value on the right must be 0 as well, so that infinitely many. So, what happens? We have 5 minus 3, 2. Okay, you can see here that there's a contradiction. 0 equals 2. A contradiction. Since 0 is not equal to 2. Okay, since 0 is not equal to 2. Therefore, the solution set is a null set. So, this is it. So, when you get something like this, wherein the left side are all 0 and then the right side, there's something in there, there will be no solution. Because there's no such thing as you will substitute 0 here and then on the right side, you will produce a number. Magic. Okay, last. Let's have the homogeneous linear system. When we say homogeneous linear system, the right-hand side of the equations are all 0. Take note that this linear system has always the trivial solution. When we say trivial solution, that is, in this case, it will always have the trivial solution, 0, 0, 0. Because when you substitute 0, 0, 0 to all the variables, the answer will still be 0. Okay? Now, other word for trivial is obvious. Let us solve this one. x1 minus x2 plus 3x plus 3x3 equals 0, and this one. Writing the augmented matrix, we have this one. Okay, suppose that we want to make this 0. So, we'll get 2r1 minus r2. 2 minus 0, negative 2, minus 1, you have negative 3, and then 6 minus 3, positive 3, and then we have 0. Okay, so this becomes, let's transform this into equation. X minus y plus z equals 0. And then negative 3y plus 3z equals 0. You know what we are going to do? We're going to let z be equal to t, where t is a real number. Okay, what happens? So the first equation becomes x plus y equals negative t, and then positive, we can divide by negative 3 here. So you have y equals t. Saan galing yun? Dito sa pangalawa. So, we have negative 3y equals negative 3c, right? So, that will be y equals z. Okay. So, from here, we can already have your x. So, what is x? Okay, if we subtract, so we have x equals negative 2t. Therefore, the solution set is the ordered triple, negative 2t. What is our y? T. And then what is our z? T as well. Such that t is a real number. This is the solution of the homogeneous system. One of them is, of course, the trivial solution, 0, 0, 0. You are highly encouraged to answer the following problems for you to practice on your own. Also, you may answer this one. Let's have an homogeneous linear system.